Hello everyone, I'm John, CTO of Pruna AI, and today I will walk you through how to use the Pruna AI AMI on the AWS Marketplace. First, you head on over to the Pruna AMI, and then you are greeted with view purchasing options or try for free. If you're trying Pruna for the first time, you have to click on try for free and you get a 5-day free trial where you can try the Pruna AMI without paying anything. If you've already clicked on try for free and you have access to the product, then you will see this blue pop-up on the top, which tells you that you have access to this AMI and you can go on view subscription. After you go on view subscription, you will see a list of all of your AMIs that you're subscribed to, one of which is the Pruna AI AMI. And to launch, you simply go and click on launch here. This will open a small wizard where you can select which Pruna version you want and which region. So in this case, let's go for US East 1. And then you click on continue to launch through EC2. Now, anyone that's familiar with EC2 knows how to launch EC2 instances. It's very simple with the AMI. It comes preloaded, in this case, your EC2 instance with the AMI. You just have to give it a name. In this case, let's say test Pruna AMI. And you can fill in whatever you are used to filling in. Here you can choose the instance type. Many instance types are supported by the Pruna AMI, so you can go for anything from T4 to A100. Then you can select your SSH key. In this case, I will not select any SSH key because I will directly show you in the web wizard how to directly use the AMI. And then fill out any other settings like the network settings, storage, and potentially advanced details. Now, the only thing you have to do after you fill in everything is click on Launch Instance, and this will launch an EC2 instance with the Pruna AMI built in. So since I did not select an SSH key, I can just proceed without one in this case. And then you can see that the EC2 instance is launching. It's successfully launched. We can check on EC2 the status of this instance. Right now it's pending. It takes about 1 to 5 seconds to completely start up. As you can see, now the instance state is running. And now if you have an SSH key set up, then you can directly SSH into the machine. But in this case, I will show you how to connect through the web, through Session Manager. You just go to connect, click on Session Manager, and click on the orange connect button. And this will automatically connect you through your browser of choice to the instance. Now that you're connected, all you have to do is switch your user to Ubuntu if you're not already in the Ubuntu user. If you go to the Pruna documentation, you can see that this is a command that you can copy paste from here. This is because the Ubuntu user has all of the Pruna prerequisites set up already. So I run this. As you can see, now I'm switched to the Ubuntu user. And in order to test Pruna, I can go to the documentation. There's a minimal example here that takes in a Stable Diffusion 1.4 model, applies one of our methods, which is called step caching, and runs an inference with it. So I will just copy this, go back to my instance, and I will create just a simple test.py script and paste the code that I just copied and save the file. And then I can directly test Pruna by running this file. So Python 3 test.py. For the first time, it will take a bit of time because the instance has to download the Stable Diffusion model. It will have to apply the smashing and then do the run. Smashing and doing the run is very fast, but downloading the model from the Hugging Face repo takes a bit of time because it's a big-ish model. So for this, I will just skip until the generation happens. Then, as you can see, the model is loaded, the smashing happens. You can see here it's successful, and then in the end, we do one inference on the smashed model. Thanks a lot for watching this demo. We hope it was insightful, instructional, and made you see how easy it is to use Pruna through the AWS Marketplace. If you're an AWS user, don't hesitate to try us out for free and see how much Pruna can push your models to to become much faster and much smaller and much less costly. Thank you.